a breath of fresh air. Hugh Jackman enjoyed an afternoon off from his new Broadway musical with his wife of 25 years, Deborra-Lee Furness. Hugh Jackman, 53, and wife Deborra-Lee Furness, 63, are one of Hollywood's cutest couples. The Australian duo were spotted on a casual stroll in New York City on Friday, February 11, just a day after his big opening night on Broadway for Reboot of The Music Man. Hugh and Deborra-Lee both bundled up for the 50-degree temperature in warm jackets, the X-Men alum going with a sleek zip-down, and his wife with an on-trend black puffer. Hugh kept his look simple with black pants, sneakers and a matching face mask. Deborra-Lee echoed her husband's style, but added her own spin with a smart pair of white running shoes and a chic pair of circle wireframe sunglasses featuring a unique purple lens. The couple, who have been married for nearly 26 years, looked so happy as they walked arm in arm while taking in the sights of iconic Big Apple. Deborra-Lee was simply beaming as she flashed a big smile for the nearby photographers. At one point, Hugh also flashed a peace sign to the paparazzi. The Laughing Man Coffee CEO has had a particularly big week with the debut of his new Broadway show, which made its original debut in 1957 with much fanfare. Meredith Willson's The Music Man was later turned into a 1962 feature film that included the original Broadway cast, including Robert Preston and Barbara Cook. Hugh plays lead character Harold Hill against Sutton Foster's Marion Peru in the highly anticipated reboot, which is currently set to run in NYC until November 6, 2022. Related gallery. Anne Hathaway, Blake Lively and more stars at the opening night of Broadway's The Music Man. Hugh was dapper in a black suit for the star-studded premiere night, which included attendance from several A-listers, and his close friends, like Blake Lively and his former Les Miserables co-star Anne Hathaway. Blake's husband Ryan Reynolds is a close pal of Hugh's, so it was no surprise to see the Gossip Girl alum out in full force. She stunned in a purple suit by Sergio Hudson paired with sky-high Louboutin heels for the red carpet event, while Anne was in full movie star mode with a sleek black jumpsuit.